Megha, please step forward.
Megha, this is the time to cut the drama and start calling a spade a spade.
When I was standing and waiting for the results, only thing that went through my mind at that time was, I don't want to go back home today. I want to go to my next final round.
Megha, facts are facts and facts should be put the way they are supposed to be put. And the fact is that there can only be one champion. And you get that shot at being that champion. Welcome to the grand finale.
It felt as if I was dreaming. I'm like, is this for real? I was in a lot of hope. I was very positive, but is this actually happening? Was what was going in my mind. I was really happy.
How do you feel, Megha?
I'm speechless right now because when you introduced the task to us today, I thought I wouldn't be able to do it. And I went full swing, full throttle into the task, got my hands messy, and I just did what I had to do. And I'm really happy I did that. And I'm really, really grateful to have you guys mentor me. I'm like, words can't express how much it means to me.
You were awesome today.
Thank you.
Megha, your vision of actually cloning Chef Ranveer's dish, streamlining yourself, not allowing yourself to fall apart, and focusing, showed very, very clearly in your dish.
Okay.
Your sun-dried tomato pesto was stunning.
Thank you so much.
Megha, all I can say is that you've made Gujarat proud. You've got a person from Gujarat. You've got a Parsi who loves Gujarat. And I think all of Gujarat would be proud to see you be here at this position at the grand finale. You great techniques today. Couldn't let go of that sun-dried tomato pesto. The most moist fish that we've eaten. Absolutely stunning. You need a pat on your back.
Megha,
Good job.
don't ever eat non-vegetarian. Because if you're a vegetarian and you cook non-vegetarian food so beautifully, you might jinx it.
I had disappointed them just the day before. And I told myself that I have to make them happy and live up to their expectations. So when they did appreciate the dish I made and my efforts, I was really, really happy and I felt really blessed.
Tanisha and Juhi, please step forward.
So when it came down between Juhi and I, she also had equal bad comments and a few goods, just as I had a few good and a few bad. But I was trying to equate whether the plating would trump the slightly overcooked fish or the overcooked